Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Google Gemini AI. So let's get started. So using it very easy. It's very easy. So you have to follow this easy step. So Google Gemini is also known as Bard AI. Okay, so you can just go and open your Google and search for your Bard AI. Just open it. Here you can see Google Gemini. Now Bard is now Gemini. You can just open it. So here you can see it's ready. So using is very easy. You can just write here your prompts like hi. You can just write hi. It will reply to you, and from here you can ask whatever you want to ask about the things. The Google Gemini will tell you. So by this way you can just use it. And if you have, so this is how to use Google Gemini AI. And if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.